A review of the PHEMEX exchange about which you didn't ask me. I don't know that a certain group of people who are small who are not afraid of these falls now have such a request: keep buying cryptocurrency, where to exchange and where to store, keep it possible to trade. And here it is, a 7x exchange with enough differences. There is a welcome bonus of $180 in cash back. You can initially trade with bonuses, and then your $20 goes just for registration. And plus making a deposit for today's rate is $61 for making a deposit, plus another $20 for creating an identity verification. Extended bonus $130, and also at the beginning of trading, about $30 is given out. There are certain conditions if there are desires. You read them, look if you want details, maybe in some detail. And I'll analyze this exchange. 7x has been trading steadily since 2019 and is gaining its audience. Founders, professional investors street on which Mark T. Hooves. The exchange takes 34th place in terms of volume and trading. This results in an estimate of 5-6 points, and for the day today the turnover is $337 million. The film and many other cryptocurrencies, also the acquisition of cryptocurrencies using credit card. Spot trading here is about 245 plus cryptocurrencies. The easiest way to trade. Launchpad conversion, which is just starting to develop. There is already a first launch. There is also passive income here. You can earn altcoin up to 80% per annum and also receive income from cryptocurrency. There is also a lot pool in principle. Everything is like in ordinary exchanges. There is also training here, that is, you can get trained in all the intricacies of this exchange and learn how to trade this exchange like a Lego constructor, that it turns out to move it as you like to make it convenient trade and set up this business. Everything for itself. Everything seems to be moving and moving now purely for a demonstration experiment. Yes. I will go here to the contract, trade in contracts, and for 1% of the deposit, I will make a long deal. I put it here. It turns out 1% here. I go down and bet here. It turns out to put leverage up to 100x. I will set somewhere around 50. This is actually risky, but I turn out to put only 1% of the deposit. I'll probably save a little, put on 10 to 10. And reduce the percentage here, that's all. And here I turn out to open a long leverage here, so for 10x it turns out I place 34 units. The price of the order turns out to be 20,192. And here I can get you to set the take profit that I want to get and stop loss. Click here, let's say 70 and set 5. Let's put 10% on 10. Set it here. You can set it as a percentage. You can also not print it. It turns out profit based on the amount that I set. I press the confirm button. I still set 2% here. You can assign it to move. It turns out your order, which is rare on which exchange you will meet the order. The stop loss is accepted for what is set here. And you can also pull it up here down. There are a lot of trading instruments here. Up to the fact that even gold was introduced here. Gold is a perpetual contract here, which means that it immediately shows the unrealized percentage goes long. 69 now 0.69% to close the position, which means you can close the position here, either by limit or by market. A commission is charged on the market, also on the shoulders wanted. I would say Bitcoin. But perhaps a downward trend has already begun. But perhaps it is already coming soon, and a reversal here. You can also change your take profit to put it much lower or much higher. I also wanted to note that the 7x exchange is registered in Singapore, and there are no sanctions and prohibitions for users in the CIS, and it's not even provided for at all. So thanks for the like. Thanks for the dislike if you like the exchange. The link is in the description.